Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Rosie. Okay, so I just completed the series 1 of borderline personality disorder, which we went through 4 parts of that. Now I'm gonna enter into borderline personality disorder series 2, which will be dealing with DBT, which is dialectical behavioral therapy, and that is the therapy that is available and mostly referred and support for the treatment of borderline personality disorder. And so for part 1 in this series, we're going to look at mindfulness. Mindfulness is um, one of the parts of DBT. Okay, and so let's take a look at wise man. Sorry, wise mind. Basically, you try to find your wise mind, and you basically try to put together, like you ask yourself, um, what is it? Can you find something that you can validate about yourself? Like example, um, I'm beautiful. You know, you can validate that you're beautiful. And then there is that question where, what is it that they really feel? So even though you can validate that you're beautiful, you might feel that you're ugly. So you're gonna look at those two things. Validation is you're beautiful, and how your feeling is, hey, I'm ugly. And then you try to balance out the two of them, and that will help you to put the two together. And then so eventually you come up with something like this: I feel ugly, but I am beautiful. And that is the wise mind. Okay, hope you guys understand. um so the next one is observe. Basically, you're gonna notice what you're experiencing without reacting. And so you're going to choose an object and look at it carefully, see what it looks like, and note what it feels like. That is helping you to ground into reality. One example is like you could light a candle and watch the flame. Note what happens without reacting to it. You could also make a cup of tea or coffee. Perform every step slowly and consciously, and you let thoughts and feelings pass. It's the same thing like, you're feeling ugly, you're feeling worthless and helpless. These feelings will pass. Okay. So another thing you can do in observation is you can lay or sit down in a sofa, sense what it feels like towards your body. It's soft or rough, coarse, and you can also observe every thought, feeling, and action. Also consider your thoughts, feelings, and what you experience through your senses. Another example is you can take a shower and you ask yourself, how does the water feel on your skin? You be observant of that emotion, right? So it's like in observation, whatever it is that you're doing, you try to use all your senses, and see how it is, how it relates to you, how you feel about it, and that kind of stuff. So that was observe. Next one, we're not gonna go through all of them probably because the video would be long, too long. So we'll probably do 2 more, and then we'll do the last 3 in the next video. So the next one is describe. Describe. This means to put words to what you are experiencing. Let the thought be only a thought and the emotion only an emotion. Speak out loud for yourself and describe the room in detail. whatever room that you might be in. You check which emotion you have at the moment. Describe it. Where does it feel? And how does it feel? For me, I find that to be very difficult. Describing myself, describing what is going on with me, how I'm feeling, which emotion I'm feeling. Sometimes I really don't know, but I just know that I don't like it. But this is what DBT is for, to help us through it all. Next thing, you can check. You can choose an object in the room, examine it thoroughly, and write a full description of it, including such matters as the weight, the size, the form, the color, and areas of usage. Also, there's one more. You could do a mindful exercise. You describe with your senses what you feel in your body. Do you feel any emotions? If you do, which one? So, I know it might be hard. As I told you, it's hard for me for sure. I know that with describing, but I guess practice makes perfect. Practice makes better, and it makes improvement. So DBT is something that you have to stick at and practice consistently. Alright, so let's look at the last one that we're going to look at for today, which is participate. So you become one with the experience and you forget yourself. One way, you can sing a happy song. Immerse yourself in what the song is about and not what you're really feeling or the situation that you're probably having. Also, busy yourself with something that you like, whether it be craft, arts, drawing, singing, playing an instrument. You focus wholeheartedly into what you're doing. And you can also do painting and knitting, you know those things, make soaps or kind of, yeah. Also, you can talk to someone around you. Give the person your full attention. Read a book, a magazine, a comic. Let the text strike you. And you can smile heartily at the people you meet. So basically they're trying to get you out of your comfort zone per se and socialize, you know, I know that's kinda hard, but like those of you or those of us who suffer with social anxiety, but I think therapy is also about pushing yourself a little more, you know, going a little further than you did before until you reach the mark that you really want to. So this is it. Okay, so let's just do a brief recap of the four things that we did so far. We did the wise mind, we did observe, describe, and participate. And so therefore in the next video, I'll go into non-judgmentally, one mindfully, and effectively. Those last three being a part of mindfulness. Okay, so I hope this video was informative. Sorry for, I don't know, a crappy video, I guess. Yeah, my hair's a mess and everything. But yeah, I hope this video was informative for you guys. And yeah. Also, okay, I'm gonna tell you which app I'm actually using to get this information from because it's a wonderful app and it's called DBT 911. The picture of it is like puzzles, pieces of puzzles together. So that could help you with finding it. And yeah, so you could follow along with me while I'm doing the videos for the DBT off of this app. Okay, bye.